Welcome to our channel. Solo travel doesn't mean being lonely if you're open to meeting people. Step 1. Stay in hostels or social accommodations that facilitate interaction among guests. Step 2. Join group tours or activities where you'll naturally meet fellow travelers. Step 3. Attend meetups and events listed on social apps for travelers and expats. Step 4. Sit at communal tables in restaurants and cafes to invite conversation. Step 5. Take classes or workshops where shared interests create natural connections. Step 6. Use travel apps designed to connect solo travelers in the same location. Step 7. Be approachable by maintaining open body language and smiling. Step 8. Start conversations by asking for recommendations or offering help. Step 9. Suggest group activities like exploring a neighborhood or trying a restaurant. Step 10. Exchange contact information to stay connected or meet up again. Step 11. Respect boundaries and be aware that not everyone wants to socialize. Step 12. Stay safe by meeting in public places and trusting your instincts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.